are going urban exploring with the boys.
Oh yeah, let's go!
Nephew, so,
alright guys, what are we gonna do?
urban exploring!
That's right. What else are we
Time to bring
Bobby!
Baby? Wait, don't do anything, we don't know. What's going on? Should we go in?
Yes!
Bobby?
Yes!
Wait, we're all here.
What happened?
Where are we? Wait.
Yeah.
Why is there furniture?
This yellow tube. I don't like this yellow one. I don't like it. Hold on. Hold on. Buddy, wait! Buddy!
Hold on! Go!
Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me do my calculations.
Wait, guys, wait. We don't know if this place is safe or not.
Let's go. Hold on. I need to do my calculations. Stepping in here, bro. Yes, I found two. I found, oh, I need some. Hold on. Oysters, I need some.
Prune juice?
I'm thirsty.
Wait, where's Bobby?
Bobby.
He's already lost his sanity, dude.
Baby.
Alright, someone, nephew, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Wait, guys, I have to fix this. It's too much to understand. Rebooting.
Okay, we should move already.
What happened? Hi, guys.
Wait, what's
Let me do my calculations. This is fast check. Baby. Let me do my calculations.
Guys, we don't know how we ended up here, but something is very wrong in here.
Hi, baby. Hold on.
We're gonna just keep exploring.
Guys, look at all these stairs. Hey, Prunches. Banana.
Where are we even? Wait,
Hold on.
what's this?
Hold on, I need prune juice. Guys,
where are we?
where's nephew? Where's nephew?
Where is he? Oh,
Hey, nephew. Hello. Look at this good gorilla, man.
So guys, we have made it to motel.
Hey, what's
It's
up,
not
Jeremy?
good, guys. We have gone too far from where we came from.
Look at
We are
this.
good.
Come on.
What? Where?
Look at this. Cowabunga! Cowabunga!
I gotta go and see them.
Yeah, I'm being scared, Bobby. Do you have to
Guys, it's like very dark and scary here. Austin won't make it.
Bobby.
Keep moving. It's pretty high up.
Yeah.
We're almost at the top.
Like this, where we go? There, over there.
No, do it. There's wait, what was that? No! Junior? Alright guys, so for the moment, it's just me and Junior.
Hey.
So it's pretty tough where we at. But so right now we're just go. We know. Wait, I'm gonna miss it. I think I'm losing sanity, Junior.
Yeah.
Yeah, purchase.
It's the last.
Hold on. Thank you, Junior.
Let's go.
Oh, my vision feels
What?
better.
What's this? Slide. No.
Wait, I got different blue. I got different blue.
I got different red.
Woo. Oh, crap, I need to go. Oh, ow. Oh. Junior, I'm here. Junior. Where are you? Junior.
Hi,
Junior. Should we go down the... Wait. Woo. Woo. Oh. Hey, no. I made it.
There's nothing not go.
Junior? Let's just keep moving.
Okay, come on.
Oh god, it's ambient. Beautiful. What do you see? Recording all the stuff. Oh god.
What? Everywhere? It never ends? Couldn't stop them. Come on, wait, it's open, go!
Wait, more bathrooms? We don't know where Bubby is. So
The baby's gone.
you're right. Let's just keep moving. We can't just wait.
This is what nephew got stuck. This is what nephew got stuck.
Fly high, little baby.
This is... Wait. There was these bones. There's nothing. Something took nephew.
We don't know what it is, but we gotta just continue.
You're right. Come on. And the last of the babies.
Hi guys, so we're right now alone. We're still here. We got lost at the pool, but we found some way out the pool. We're gonna keep going through the pool. Let's go. Junior, we don't know if this place is safe or not. So for the time being, we should just take a break. I'm gonna put the camera. What? Junior.
They're always watching. They're always here.
I don't know. We should just get out of here.
Yeah.
Let's get out of here. Come on. Janice? We were just here.
We have to go down the slide again. And we need more
Wait,
friends.
what about that slide? That must have been blue slide. But we went down blue slide. Oh, I'm coming. Junior! We just gotta continue. We already know what's here, so we shouldn't worry about what we saw.
Yes, we know it's here.
Yeah. This place is weird. It's like describing a dog to someone who's never seen it. And then asking them to draw it. We need to find a way out of here.
We do.
When we first entered, it was bad enough that we couldn't make it out from there, so we just have to find a new exit. Junior, it's been so long with our friends.
Look at all this orange. It's too much. I'm just gonna go.
I can't do it anymore. Hey, Junior, I can't do it anymore.
No,